Hi, I'm Saul and I'm Team Marl1n's graphic designer, and today I'm here with Rian, one of our excellent CAD engineers.
Hello, and today we're going to be talking about Scratch, which is an amazing coding software which is online and it is easy to use for beginner coders. So we use Scratch because it is straightforward but still makes amazing games, and we can change the graphics easily to make it look as F1 schools as we need.
So we have a Scratch profile which we post certain games on, so I'll show you that now. So here is our profile. We've posted 2 projects so far, and one where you're supposed to test your reaction time. So the race and actually building the car is a large part of the F1 in Schools competition. This is to simulate, and the reaction time plays a big part in how fast your car goes. So this is to simulate how it is. So first you need to hover your mouse over the center button, and then the lights will turn on, and a few seconds later you'll see the button again. Press it and it will give you a value for your reaction time score. And then our second one is more of game as such. So you're the car and you press the arrow keys to move. You'll come across crystals and loose wheels. The loose wheels will distract the point, and the will detract life, and the crystals will give you a point.
Take you through a little introduction to Scratch. So this is the stage where all your sprites will be on and where all the code will take place. So I can click and drag this mouse wherever I want. So this is the sprites list where all your sprites will appear, so you can add sprites. So I'll just add a bear. And you can add different backdrops as well. So I'll just make a nice simple kind of backdrop. And then this is the big square in the middle is where all the code will go for all of the sprites and stage. So this is the codes palette where you have motion blocks which make the sprite move, and looks is how it looks, as well as sounds, play sounds. So sounds can be found in the sounds tab, and you can add new sounds as well as any sounds that come with the sprites, as well as costumes. So for the cat, we can make him walk. So then we have events, which is basically when something happens, it will do all this code. So they're usually used at the beginning. Most of the time we have the when green flag clicked button at the beginning, which is basically when this green flag, which means go, is clicked, the code will start, which is usually how games start. So then we have the control blocks, which is basically meaning if the sprite is under a certain circumstance, then it will do this amount of code. And then sensing is if it senses something, and then operators, so they take multiple values and give you one value. So the pick random one is very useful as it basically picks random steps. And then you have variables, lists, and blocks, which are all custom made. So variables, basically the number will change, so you can change the number and then move it, like put another piece of code that will take that number and use it. And then lists are basically lots and lots of values that operators can usually find most of the time. You'll use them. And then a make block is basically making a custom block, which is a custom bit of, well, not custom, but a separate bit of code, which can then be slotted into any bit of code and multiple times. So it's very useful for making clean and neat coding. So I'm just going to make a really simple piece of code to just show you the starting. So when green flag clicks, we'll do like a repeat of 10 times for the cat, and it's going to move 10 steps. And then we can do maybe next costume, something like that. And sounds, always fun. Put that at the beginning. So if we click the green flag, you can hear. So that was just literally a simple bit of code which will just make an introduction to Scratch for you. So thank you for watching.
Thank you very much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed and have a great week.